Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11's search indexing was turned off error. So to resolve this problem, follow some easy steps. First click on start. Now type here services, open services. Now in this list guys you have to find out remote processor code RPC. You will see this two service. So double click on this first one. Now make sure this startup type is automatic. If you not see automatic, so click on this drop down and select automatic, and this service status should be running. If not, so click on start, then apply, then okay. Similarly in this second service, double click on it, click on automatic, start, apply, then click on ok. Now close it and click on start again. Now type here indexing, then click on indexing options. Now here click on advanced. Now guys, here you will see option delete and rebuild index. So click on rebuild. Rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. So if you're sure, click on OK. Now wait for a while till this process will complete. You will see indexing in process. Search results might not be complete during this time. So guys, once this complete, close it, click on start, type cmd. Right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. So type this command line sfc space slash scan now, then press enter. And also guys, it will take a couple of minutes. So complete this scanning, and once this scanning will complete, restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and you can resolve Windows 11's search indexing was turned off error. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment on this video work for you or not.